Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you all about my post hair wash hair care routine. So this is something which I've been following since quite a period of time after my hair fall and excessive dandruff issues, and following this routine has actually helped me in controlling these problems to very good extent. So keep watching this video wherein I explained step by step what is my post hair wash hair care routine. So keep watching.
So firstly, I've removed my towel and my leg is really wet. So after that, and I'm taking this Nature Nushka hair mist. I'm taking quite a amount onto my palms, and I'm just applying it onto the scalp, all over the scalp, very much liberally. And what you have to do is you have to use the tip of the finger, not the nail. It may damage your scalp to a great extent. So use your palm, and again, I'm taking some more amount. Depending upon your scalp and depending upon your, preference, you can take the amount and completely liberally massage all over your scalp so that it penetrates very much deep into the scalp. And when the hair is wet, only applying this mist helps in a lot ways. Not only that, it helps in preventing dandruff as it has antimicrobial properties. Next thing I'm taking is Mama's onion hair serum. So I'm taking that onto my palms, and depending upon your length, I mean hair's length, you can take the amount and completely apply onto the hair. I was using this specifically because my hair was becoming a lot of luster less, and also tangles were there. So it helped in detangling as well as providing the nourishment to my hair. So some amount of hair fall is very much common after hair wash. But it's not visible, so yeah, it's quite common to have some hair fall. So I'm taking some more amount, and again, honestly speaking, it's like the smell is really good. So again, apply it onto the hair and don't miss your ends, because that is a part which suffers with a lot of lack of nourishment issues. So applying it to that part can help you in getting rid of split ends. So we are done. So the most common mistake done after this is most of us will leave it in a clutch and we'll go to our workplace, but don't do that, because in that process a lot of pollution gets exposed to the hair. So it's better to go in a bun and secure it then, and after that you can leave it for natural drying. So this is some easy tip, but really important thing we have to remember. So we are good to go.
So that was my post hair wash hair care routine. So those are the products I use on a regular basis, and I'll be leaving the links of those things in the description box below. So do make sure to check them out. And I would like to add some points as well. So most of the people generally ask me that what are the shampoos, or say what are the hair care products that can help them in getting rid of hair fall and dandruff issues. Well, these hair care products can help you only to a certain extent, but they can't completely cure if you are suffering with massive hair fall and dandruff issues. That may need medicine intervention, and you may need to get under doctor supervision. So this kind of routine is only helpful for them who are having minimal amount of hair fall and dandruff without any underlying medical conditions. But these conditions like hair fall and dandruff are also observed in certain medical conditions, and unless and until those things are not attended, these things doesn't get resolved. So don't expect these products can help you in getting rid of all sorts of issues. They can help you only if you have minimal issues. So that's what I wanted to share in this video, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Till then, bye bye and have a great day. Bye.